Big fucking Northern on right now. My fucking line rod. He's got 4 rattle reels on him. I don't know if this bitch will fit up the hole. Christ, he's got fucking 20 rattle reels on him. Come on. Just tire his ass out, I guess. Oh fuck, he's right there. Holy shit. This fucker is huge. Oh fucking A. I don't want him to rip my fucking hand off. Ooh, ooh, holy shit. Holy shit. Come up the hole, buddy. Come up the hole. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh, his head was barely up the hole. I wish I had a gaff. Come on. Come on, buddy. God damn it. Every time he sees me get my hand down there, he goes back down. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, bitch. Oh fucking yeah, motherfucker. Holy fuck. Solid. He's got about 10 rattle reels on him. Jesus Christ. Yes!